My name is Connor Galliot, and this is my landmap assignment. Hamilton, Ontario. I was born and raised here. I moved from here when I was 7 years old. My family still lives here. The indigenous nation in this area is Anishinaabe, Iroquois, and Ojibwe. Also in this area has Treaty Number 3. The Canadian government planned to build a route that connected Lower Fort Garry to Thunder Bay by a series of river systems for soldiers in 1792. Because most of the land belonged to the Ojibwe and Anishinaabe, the government wanted to enter into treaties so that the land and waters could be used. Because my next three locations all have the same treaty, I'll go through the slides quick and then talk about the treaty at the end. Cobalt, Ontario. I moved here when I was 7. It is one of the most historic towns in Ontario. Its nation in this area is Anishinaabe, Cree, and Western Algonquin, and its treaty is Robinson Huron Treaty 61. Northern Montreal River. It has some of my favorite camping spots and some of my favorite hunting and fishing locations. It's a place where I spend a lot of my time when I'm out at home. The indigenous nations in this area are Anishinaabe, Métis, and Central Ojibwa. It also has a Robinson Superior Treaty. Pickle Lake. My family owns a cottage out here. We do a lot of hunting and fishing and snowmobiling here also. The indigenous nation in this area is Anishinaabe, Cree, and Western Algonquin. So, the Robinson Huron Treaty was signed with Ojibwa communities living along the north shores of Lake Huron and Superior. Its purpose was to reserve lands for the use of First Nations and also to protect hunting and fishing on Crown lands. Thank you.